Here I have HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow-mo here. So now let's record something in slow motion. No, maybe I'm gonna record this toilet paper rolling, but in slow-mo, so it will be like extremely cool. So let's get it. So now I have this video and let's check it out, how it looks like. So okay, let's adjust slow motion area. I want it all be in slow-mo. Okay, so let's watch it from the beginning. And as you can see, like, toilet paper rolls extremely slow. Super cool, just like in my favorite Hollywood action movies. I think it might be a bit too slow. Here's the toilet paper breakdance. Just look at it. Insanely cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.